Hello everyone, so this is Dr. Hub, your e-doctor. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Today we are going to look at the antibiotics and all the drugs under them. So in cases of aminoglycosides, it includes the amikacin, gentamicin, the neomycin, the streptomycin, tobramycin, and in cases of penicillins, it includes amoxicillin, ampicillin, penicillin G, penicillin V, piperacillin. Next, looking at the cephalosporins, it includes the cefaclor, cefadroxil, cefazolin, cefdina, cefditoren, cefepime, cefotaxime, cefotitan, cefoxitin, cefpodoxime, cefprozil, ceftazidime, ceftibuten, ceftriaxone, ceffuroxime, cefmalexin. Next, under the penicillinase resistant penicillins, it includes the dicloxacillin, nafcillin, oxacillin, and under sulfonamides it includes sulfa methoxazole, sulfadiazine, sulfasalicylene, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole. Next, under the tetracyclines, it includes the demiclocycline, then doxycycline, minocycline, tetracycline. Then under the heading of antimicrobacterials, under antimicrobacterials it includes the antitubercular agents, then leptostatics, clofazimine, thalidomide. Then under the heading of the fluoroquinolones, it includes the ciprofloxacin, gemifloxacin, levofloxacin, moxifloxacin, norfloxacin, ofloxacin. Next, moving on to the macrolides, it includes azithromycin, clarithromycin, erythromycin. Then under the lincosamides, it includes clindamycin, zincomycin. Then under the monobactam, it includes aztreonam. And next, moving on to the antifungals, it includes amphotericin B, then the fluconazole, itraconazole, ketoconazole, then voriconazole. And looking at the antivirals, it includes the acyclovir, fosclamet, then ganciclovir, then valacyclovir. So that's it. Thank you. Please do subscribe. Any doubts or suggestions, please put it in the comment section. And do give a thumbs up or thumbs down in case you like or dislike the video. Thank you. Have a great day.